let's do Rockets. Rockets, right? So NBA Rockets. There's a font called Rockets. NBA Rockets. Okay, and I would click right there, right? And I can make this big, right? And I don't even have to add an offset. I can just keep it just like this, right? And let's say I want to rep for the Rockets and I want to, have the top of my shirt in black and the bottom of it in red, whatever. I'm making this up. And I can come over here and just change this to, let's just change it to all red because I want to. And then I can come over here and grab my little knife, right? Knife tool. And I can come over here and just keep it straight, right? If I want to just keep it straight, I'm doing my best to keep it super straight, like that. And then that top layer, let's say I want that top layer to be black. And then I have the bottom layer in red. See that?